Vesto Murunji wasiba kurunji twakutanjera eshaha nibiri zechiro kandi neshaha y'amakuru Agacencwire agutwakurundanira izoberi orukwijaga kusyaho ndinye Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Lois Gava worumo rw'ubonero bitutakaga kucizeho mbwijire reka tukore cebukuru ebyija bwebembire Agacencwire kireki umurogoti z'oburaro bw'abashaho ahirwa rurerukuru Elias Kagadi
ibangamba aruho muro gwa butika mukota zerwaro lya government hano Kagadi
Sabadikono w'obusabadikono bwa mwizi yashitamiso bwo mu ntebe yashabwo kwatanisa n'abiciriza umuriro wa Mpara
nihayera kumanipa kubihanga ya Uganda president wetu Museveni kinigisa
Ultimate University kwize ya Vision Group University nyingi nezeshungu kwangure mpaka zo mwaka ubwo
nabawaga bonabagamba anti University quiz season eyokusatu tugenda kujja nga tuli bamalirivu
inyongera kutanjera eshaha ne y'amakuru Agacencwire kandi agutwakurundanira izoberi oruga kusyaho nde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Lois Gava oworumi orwo bonero amakuru mbwijwire abashaho ahirwaro erukure Elias Kagadi bariyo bacura bwanyuma y'umuro okwato buraro bwabo kandi gukacwecereza ebintu byabo ebarirwemo miliyoni za sente
abatura abaraka kuzimya mu rugo rw'abantu gose buraro rw'abashaho yirwa reri nibagira ngo barebere mu rugo rw'abarko mu buraro rw'abashaho niko kucamo bakatembe kitimba bakagomunda ndero bakatanduko kuzimya obwe bari kutasya n'ibintu bibire birumu abantu bagira ngo bashanjiro mu kazi go mushaho arukurira obwo arukugira ngo bahandiko bye byaza kucwecerera kandi ebi nibyo babandize kucungura
tuteka muri
kumarayo ibangamba aruho muro gwa butika mukota zerwaro lya government hano Kagadi hati na nyonya iruka kujya kurura kusaka mahure actually kwikonya sanga abantu bataito twakwataniza omukazi butumusangira gamba erume iri mu documents zo musajja waye umusaho hamunezaye basobora kucwa edirisa twayihamu documents zero kugamba nti ibindi nubiraba bigenzere bihire baitu documents zo musajja no mukazi tuzihiremu nebintu ebindi twabihamu
ngabo ndozira hano ni hahi tubetene muhanda hali tusaini ku turabo malire
isingo mamuru
akati niko na ndamu
wiwindi moleke
kale ntanga ino mwana nale kutaha munju hali ebere ne na muhawo na soko na mugara harubaje ati ngona twatandika kwacho twaje twasanga wigi twaro
naito kuno kutukoraho lakabayisobora Douglas Ategeka mukuru w'entebe yo kubanzo wa Kilaba apa awirwa rero kushangwa najarangwa biraryaduka yo mutawuni niko kureba mu ikagomurro kandi akateka ngo gubasa kubagwa barako mu irwaro kandi ngo nukwashanjere kiri
ndebere mbere ndi mutawuni ninkanika ikiruka kiyanganya rebo muro mu irwaro gicumuka guri gwingi atinyaga makanika yogamba umuro guri gukyahiwa twavuga tujya twaikantu twatemba sengenge twatemba sengenge twagwa mungu sangire quarters staff quarters ingwaro nezibyo
nkanyogera demfireyo kurora twataha amaizi twazimya enju eno habwake akwa nezindi zibenzigia kuhya kandi arenjo hane yahire almost egia miyakena yari nagiraramu akagenda mu town ni hapangisa so tibanguhire gukora renovation ya majo aganda so that nabo bararemo so kimbaye ni interera government imukirete abazimya moto nka Kagadi district.
Simon Peter Tumusimi or hospital administrator asimira abatura bwo kuraka okweraho mu kuzimya mu rogu obwagumize ngo no mu rundu rwa kabiri barukoci bwo muriro
kiro kino fundiraho ikiziba irwaro hari enju emu staff quarters zaitu kwasiro muriro abasaho na abalirano balengeraho kuzimya umuriro guno kandi kirungi na polisi yatuteraho mukono yongera yejo nayo kutuyambaho kuzimya umuriro guno
we're in touch with the team from Fire, which has already settled from Hoima, Niger, to finalize everything.
Inju ya kabiri kushya mu irwaro ye kubanza report ekole cyangwa gakaba amasanyarazi agari wiring iri nkuru muno abo bwire bw'inju zimazire so eno titukusobora kigumya nti kirugira amasanyarazi oba haki
bwanyuma y'abaturo kurazo mu rogu fire brigade okurgaho yima hamwe na water bowser ya district ya Kagadi nibwo byizire kandi eki abatura bacetombitire
lakini mbayirendi yaho nzire kurenduru yagiza kora kwirukira ina sazima umuro tuguzimize cyonka fire brigade tekayikire hano
enzu z'abashaho y'irwarire kure rya Kagadi zikombe ko mu mwaka gwa 1999 kandi ku rugobwo na hati tine kunduzwa kona okorakozirwe na mnongo murayini z'amizi hamwe n'amashanyarazi gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze omuri Kagadi district.
Webare Thomas Tumwebaze kandi nitushasha na nabashaho abo ebintu byabo bisisirwa muro twagumizamo na namakuru. Bishop w'ubureberezi ubwa West Ankole Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twinomujuni yarabara bicerezo muri West Ankole okurekera humuze ubwo kunagijira magaragabo bakiruka hakuronde by'ubwiga byonga.
Bishop Twinomujuni okwabara bicerezo kufamagara gabo no byabatayiro busaba dikono bwa St James Rwibare omurushema district. Mama Joy Twinomujuni yashaba bikiriza na mnonga abana okureba ngo bayinyikiro mukore mirumo ngo bayeke kutekateka ngo butakora harimo ubwiga.
Okusenda kukora noshangeka erwa abantu mwenda konkane korwa muntu omushinja mwarakora weka ningo mukasi mwarakora weka abana bahumwiro birobu rero barimo gukora baraba mu kuduka.
Is a preschool that I have tested, sorry. Actually mambo nechapazima bakwanyi ukakigezaho Ruhanga, listen to me. God blesses our efforts.
Saba dikon warwibale Venerable Reverend Tito Byamani yasima Bishop abufita yiro busaba dikon nobu kandi akabure kaburu kutagata.
Twasimara hanga mnonga obusibira rwibale akidikona yasibe takasire. Bwe tubebaza abeshemwe kugira Bishop na mama bakasiba ndeyitwe nyewayikira kikarebere kana serwa abantu bakwingana bati barengera
abashumba history nabajyamo history repeats itself marwe bareji Bishop wa West Ankole akagera aho mwanya ko kwisha kagerara abantu bakaganira namwe
itwe kabacyara bamwada sinyoni tuyino kushemerwa munonga na kutera munonga ahawawe mama Joy ahagwenteri yawe yose n'otubura.
Bishop Twinomujuni amukoro guyateka habaronde 25 emikono okwamibwo mwigana rya Kristo gandi makuru Right Reverend Nason Baruku oryo mulebezo ubureberezi bwa South Rwenzori ayenangiziriza abatura okurinde byo buhangwa nkagumwa muringo guraba base kucendezo kutenguka kwitaka no kuboga kw'imigera mu district ya Kasese. Ebi bigambirwa bwo bureberezo bubire nibihereza ebihumi byenjoki ebigenderire kuyabaturo mu bworo hamwe no kuba yamba omukurinde byo buhangwa.
Zobere twatandika project yo kureba ngo ebisharara wetlands twataho alternative project ababere bari kuhinga in wetlands ababere bari kuhinga hehe nemjera labere bari kuhinga in strat hanshozi ngabo babere barukozesa babase kutunga echo kulia babase kutunga fees.
Right Reverend Nason Baluku orw'umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa South Rwenzori nagira ngo bonko bureberezi behireyo no kurondera abatura bakatare kubwoki obaragume bahakura.
Twamasaba muri Yesu Christmas nduyikirira irongerebere omuhana mane warakolombirio oyo abihives bastekemo. It is a long term project. Bihe muboki oboki babuguze angadasi twine plan oboki bwaba bwinji twine plan yo kureba ngo twabugura abahinji to take on factory to processing to packing to guze mu Uganda na heri ya Uganda.
Bene chamani twaza kutahamani kwa mazima twasensitizinga ningo kwegesa abantu bakunde project ibaha mutima ecya kabiri turamaze twatamwa amani itungo burisa bwa mariba temwa amani tukore ibindi tutabesinga munonga ibi twatunga irizoba
ebihumbi 224 nibyo bihirwe y'ubureberezo obu gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi na Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Mwebale munonga abanyamakuru bitu tugumizamo na namakuru sabadikoni obusabadikoni bwa mwizi omubureberezi obwa Ankole. Venerable Reverend Albert Namasko Elizoba nawe yashitamusubwa hantebe kandi omukoro ogu gwaba gukurirwe Bishop Sheldon Mwesugwa owashaba bakurustayo okwatanisa nawe bakareta hwentunguka.
Omukoro gwokuta Venerable Albert Namasko muntebe gwabanza nokutera eberahero.
President we Dr. Museveni ekitinisa abalimuhongorra nk'uko biragiro biri ruhanga kwa satyo.
Bishop Sheldon Mwesugwa obarukwerwaho omuhandiki w'ubureberezi bwa Ankole Reverend Canon Edson Abasa nibo yebembera mu murimo gwokusitamisa Sabadikon Abel omuntebe.
Reverend Albert Namasko nk'umuhereza mugenzi wetu omubwakidiko n'obo bwakwasibwa omureberezi wetu wa Ankole omwizina lya tatitwe n'ery'omwana n'ery'omwoyo kwera. Amina.
Project Sidenta Asia okutungura project zekanisa ezitwine omwani entoche ebibira amajugo kwanyisa kandi no kutandika ezindi okutoma nkora programs z'obureberezi zona ko kuziri okurinda ebintu by'ekanisa.
Bishop Sheldon yashabikiriza okwatanisa n'abarisa bongere kora emirimo y'ekanisa.
Abazire kwatanisa n'abanyabuzare okwatanisa ekigambo ky'okwatanisa n'ekigambo ky'amaani bantu bwe nyonkyegera abahindi ne bakwatanisa. Tulina abahindi banywani baitu bamwe muri abo bakwenda kukora n'itumureberezi bwa Ankole okumanya ngo bakwatanisa omusheija nabayi n'omwana we akura ashwera kokani baguma bali mu njwemu
sima mnonga Venerable Albert Namasko abwe kwatanisa ningi yayine abo kwatanisa gusa nyonka mukirwa wo kusaba dikoni ndaganisa abantu abo kwatanisa nawe
kandi twakorera hamwe tukwatanise ubundi atarimo kupingana atari mu mwango namwe nibasha bamwimuce ubundi benyime byarabere nyimba na nyonta kizire iyo mbitera misho mbitera umugongo turanziyo mu misho twine programu yamana habwe ntungukaye kanisa yitu.
Omugand omureberezi w'ishaza lya Fort Portal Diocese Right Reverend Robert Kemuhirwe yashaba Kristo okwega okusasirana. Ebyona Bishop Muhirwe yabigambira mukoro gwo kwiguraho Parish ya St Paul Nyibanda Hometown Council ya Kyakatwire Omulchenjojo District.
Habwekero kino ekyo kyungura parish yitu empyaka abokuba kintu kino nkyoleka okukora mu kwikiriza okutulia pastoral coordinator na tugambira abokichoka kino ekya Kristo ba parishi ya Katosa hati enyakubereri sub parish atefokere parish.
Reverend Father John Paul Morangi owatorana kuba bwana mukuru wa St Paul Catholic Parish yatugambira ebyari kuza kutandikiraho
kandi nkabwana mukuru wo kubanza mukichweka kino ninja kuteka amani muno abyo gukora ko kwikiriza kandi nkurakorana na muno mukurakorana okwegesa abazire kutwara abana mu masomero
nyowe semerirwe muno kandi ngonza kusima no kutabarukya abantu bange bacyakatwire abantu bange bakigarale habwo kutunga parish ya Nyaivanda.
Nyibanda Catholic Parish yaba parish ya katano kwegurwaho myaka 5 district ya Chenjojo. Amakulaga gasha kwa Susan Chalsima na Daniel Bengana.
Bari abanyamakuru bitu twagomezamu abana bomugenzi Canon Johnson Bejune bariyo baryana ahabwa ekamakomyana zitaka ezishibwe yabasigire mu district ya Rukunziri. Dina tumushabe na Junana Munyanya Jackson Bethama nguna yenda kunyagitaka atiyo karutwara wenga.
Abana batura barunyamunyu omparishi ya Bugangari egomboraniyemwe Bugangari district ni Rukunjeri. Dana tumushabe na Jirangu Munyanya nenda kumutwaraho itaka lyona ogwakasharamo okurihinga memiti wenko mutayina okuhinga no yashabira office ya RDC okumuhwera.
Memiti yo mwami Jackson ahasera akukinga hakabona wareba nerugaha mpaha ikakuriga aho kinga ayo family kura yo wanje ni chiki okanye ne family kura ikinde ho kinga
we Jackson obarukujinana okunuko yayihozaho
nabyara emiti kabado mzaka chino kunala simu tinaji akabali kajeta box mzaka kitwalo chini sisi na kitwala na jinga kulikuja na nje kutika hinda mzee kuacha tena letani ya sere mpaka fatima na chini mpaka kaja Jackson tina kwenda kutango shitana mu monde na kuzoko na ngo mtikaye muka acharo na kwenda kugongo
Wilberforce Ongom ahimbisibwe omwezi wa RDC wa district ya Rukunjiri niwe ataho mushongezi yashabebe mezbe cyangechi okuzahitaka barabagans omburinganza omurubombere
yabara hezu yabara hemititi kwenda kumanya yoniza kubaganisitaka iwe kirabe kirumu kiratwago ongomu ukihemu wotakigize niza kutakumhameza ashatu na kisharu and that is my judgment na respecting the chairperson nakachiko kawe get that land of the remaining family divide it into 8 family members according to the nakaya abaye makora administration owafire kirabe twagwe umutabani
mwana bacheza gukora minutes zabo bazinde transfer stamp ziruka zaza ngombora transfer stamp kusheta rugamba ibi byona turabona bi recording byazo wa DC ya nanga byazo umuramuzi bakashwa babisindiko wanje nashwa na stamping hati ya ni manyangogu wana Henry Nadine bona nabo mushinjo okurugiro kutwado handiki okurugiro kwerwa kubiri
enshonga z'amataka okutwariza hamwe omdistrict ya Rukunjire nibajyangu nizo zikwasa umwanya go kubanza okuretaho office amakuraga gasha kwa Dan basibye
Dan basibye murebi witu wa TV Sto Murunji ni kusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webarena no kutorana okureba TV West shiriyo makuraga censhire konko tubikirize tubase kubana tumuraho tugarukana makuragande agarukurataho Ultimate University kwize ya Vision Group University nyinji nezeshungo kwamwe pakazo mwakogo
ne ekintu kikwatagana ne n'okulya ebyo nacho bikolako
ubuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese
ubuhabuzi bw'abaziri no kugira ngo tamweji neyo kereruka y'umwaka betegure gikurunja abana babo babahe bikozesa byona kwerinda kutateganisibwa kugaruka omuka kandi abasiniya yakana ne yamukaga bukuza kukora ebigezo by'abamuheru bo nimpabura bazire ngo fizi yabo bagibahe yona bagimariyo
ubwo bwaba buryo buhabuzi ahabyo bwegeze
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Kurukubujwireje turukwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashije nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks z'original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji is the original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwarugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni yakwera utamuyo mu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni noshumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
rigenda yakintu cyo kunywa chonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinywede ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Skylight Hotel restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecanyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kande cyo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beyi nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36
Big thing kabode MTN super wali yakapya musite wali yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo mpya then you kabode smartphone ne byakabibyonna wali yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo mpya then you kabode smartphone ne byakabibyonna
letungire kabode super esimu nse ya smartphone lero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha tandikana deposit y'emtware na necweka lero zindo zishashure mpora mu bicweka buri izoba uri kushashura sente ziri hansi ya shiringi 10 nobasa kushashura buri wiki nare buri kwezi kiri yahariwe turhamwe amashemerura gito tigine kizivira amateka n'ubushonshoreke nibukuratirwa MTN nereberura Uganda Communications Commission.
Ikintu cyo kunywa
aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakire wansuko mu motoka iriyo nenyo si yo ngwija hakunywa
mucyara unama
utatinda ndenda ngubije abakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufundurira kahurire
Ukamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze yo ntabwo kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatwa kanuzira ntanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha intangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best daughter in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar. Staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa menshi n'abatabarusi yabona abafune visas bakatambura kandi benjera kubanyisa abantu mwena ngo imihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cyenyonyi omu Dubai emirumo nkaba customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing grounds guides and aircraft cleaners okwehandisa no kwabusha ahamirumo yona ahamataji gabogona
esimu note mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itanu ninga note mushanju ina note rukumi.
Manager ogito wagito konka batu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine dio ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka nembogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Tabarukayo okumbutumwa bw'abashobozi tugumizamo na namakuru kandi ageshwekeci abazire omuri district y'Isinjiro hamwe na n'ibicweke bindi bashabirwe okurekeraho muze ogo kurekurura abana babo aba taxi hamwe n'aba boda boda babanzaga ko mashomero.
James Asimwe okwabara abazire nubwo abire nagambire nkuyanja y'abazire abakira mukorogo kwasirira abana be cyamushanju aba Bright Future Primary School.
kandi nimba hikako kuturiyo ntushika kugarura abana bita y'imashomero nimba shaka mutaruha mutwarunanyizibwa abana bitu tube twarro mu mashomero na munonga abana babiki tikira kubahereza ba boda tintwarro mwana ogu amutwara umuhande yitutakumanya oshanga waferwa ekintu ekyakubenki kuyambumisha
aha mukoro nugo gumwe habireho no kurundana sente zo kutahita fari yo kumaririza kereziya yaca abahesi hika kandi Reverend Father Geoffrey abenitwe bwana mukuru wa Buhungiro Parish nwayebembire misa hamwe n'umukoro go kwasirira abana ba
bana mu mwamwe ndakugama abantu umugaso mugire mfemirungi emico kozereki emfemirungi. Discipline is the foundation of academic excellence. Echa kabiri spirituality ukundera hanga. Spirituality is the very core ni academic journey.
Nyenda ko hanangiriza abana mwazagaruka amashomero numumanya bazira yitibire ntuye sente ayitkuye sente kuri yo kutoba ngo numwahika yishomero murengo mwataho mutuma. amu yakashatu netandikizo barya nyinshi akari ahabwa amashomero gono mu ihanga. Omugandi makuru ab'ekitongole ekitari kya gavumenti ekya COVID nikigumiza mu n'enkora ya small solar system kandi nibagira ngo ekikendererwa kyabo n'okumaraho enkoresa y'obutadde bw'omu maka g'abantu.
Ekyatureetire twagira enteekateeka y'okuserra obusoro obukyobu akazaho okucondoza okwakozirwe ekitongole ky'ensi yoona ekya World Health Organization omu mwaka gwa 2008 okucondoza okukakora mu Uganda kutwafuna ripooti twasanga Uganda efiro abantu batana banaku abakwita ekika kyetadoba n'ekika ekikugo mahega asatu kunafuna ripooti egi nakwatwaho nk'omuntu aine rukundo y'abanyayuganda rukundo y'abantu bitu babirizi nk'omuntu aine patriotism.
Obutaro obu nibukyagingibwa aha mushana kandi obushemeye kuba nibukyagingwa kumara eshaaha 24 butakatandikire kukozesebwa kandi owakatwara ashemeye kuba namanya ngo nikiine eryanda ririkumara emyaka 5 butakasisikire. Nikyo kituri kubahaburira ngo bagume bakozese bakateeka aha mushana batakakateeka aha mashanyarazi ahabwokuba amashanyarazi nigakyendeza amaani gakakataara gasiise eryanda ryabo.
Hona tugambiraho na bamwe abakoziseho obutaro obu nikwo kutugambiraho kubaganyirwemu.
Nisima convoid abo obutaro baresere hakuba mbere ninkozesa obutadoba nakando nkwerarikirira abaana ngu baza kusya
izo kyerenyisi etero wagihemba akasizi nosanga enyindo zona zine kika ati narigamu bya infections za respiratory system.
Abana bagira ngo emyaka yo kuruga habwembo butadoba neyo kubinjira cumwe kwenda ngo abantu bagume n'amagara marungi. Gashakwa Sengendo Abdukalim na Onesmus Ngyanabo.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu estongore echaba ripple effects omurimbara cyubugeneho eminyeto eibatwire nubashajika omuri burenge rwizuba abatwire nubahwere emyete tine mirumo omuri districts mwenda ezirimo district yambara isinjiro Rubirizi Ibanda Bushenyi okuruga omwaka gw'2023 obwe bariko bakwatiraho okubona icyo gukora.
Dr. Mugaya Henry orukuru by'amatungo mu district ya Rubirizi asimira ba ripple effects n'aba mastercard okwegesa eminyeto kutungura by'emikono no kuhanga w'emirumo.
Eki program eminyeto kubegesa icyo gukora ikikwatine no presenteza amate so mu district ya Rubirizi program eyambere eminyeto mingi munonga
ogwashabira abaziro kwekeriza eminyeto kwejo nisamataka gabo okwetungura no kwega emyoga
konka kizibu kyetwine n'eminyeto eryo muri Rubirizi waraha eminyeto ebasomise for example kwemesa amatungo konka bo tibakitiremu amaani basamu bayegendera omu myanya eyindi kandi babire babahire na kits ninga ebintu ebikubayamba kwemesa nk'amatungo aga
aho kuba kutambuza kuyikomba customer banje mumwe n'ibiteganisa usanga utiremu cost nyingi ningashobwire konko muri byona nisima munonga ripple effect ekorire munonga omagara ganje kandi ekampetara ripple effect ekanyegesa okukola value addition aha bintu ebinabire ninkora yanyegesa kongera value omumate hargamu yogati na namajita yanyegera no gukora value feed za animals ntukola hair silage.
Lilian Nyamwija owabira takagera gacho kora simira ba ripple effects okumuha sente zintandikwa
kandi muri mutakwekunda takayikiriza muko murema onka effect ya ese kwisha yatmanza yatwezesa ukwekunda yatwayo kwenyuma yateka aha abandi bantu bashomerere kuba bari batwara umunyanya mirungi batwara umufamu sikuruzi batwegesa gukora za bizinesi anyowe nkanye nayigayo confectionery
omuganda mu district ya Bushenyi abantu bamwe beterire nduro wa mukuru w'ihanga okubanwe yayetahira mu nshonga zone zibiro mu bururu bwa NRM bumazire kuterwa okureba ngo yagarukana abanya Uganda batakitina haba babire nibabuteza ababehire empapura zo kugaruka hantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe kwesimba omu district ya Bushenyi batine kibina
Ente wihanga oyije oshe hiburi district oyete barutani ngofisa bakarya sente babuza abantu kufa kwabura tango odoi nuwasisire kibina tokwiyaho bya mukama nyoni gamba ko mukikuru buzima kaye katango doyi aziniza ki nyowe kiyisha obururu bwaje bakanga kubutera
bakwate namba z'abatezi b'ubururu bazongeza higuru munongo so nibyinje bururu bwabutari free and fair nicyo cyantwira mu tribunal karoya kandi roya kutushumisa amateka kandi akubasa kureba okwenda amateka mu bintu bimwe byatwira president Museveni urukumo rwenda cyane nakuzo mu gishaka no kwibaka ko karu bakakibaka
bwa nyuma y'ibyo Nicolas Ndiyakera arundi n'abanyabushenyi shaka municipality y'abashabuko babamwe
bakakwata abantu babatoma basi babihayi babihiri bakwata sente nyamwingi batinisiriza abantu bajubira abantu bitu kutera karuru konka ebyo byona nagira nto mu izina rya Yesu katize kusima abanyabushenyi shaka municipality ahabwo kubananye kandi ekindi ndukubagambira ngo nkiri nimwe ombintu byentunguka namwe nitwija no mukaruru ka independent
mbwenu ninyenda kutangaza buryomwe ngwe kindesire independent kugira ngo nipakanisa ekibeina kureka no kugira ngo ebikorwa ombwire bwa primaries itwe nk'abantu tukubyikirizamu kandi cyo kiresire ijanke independent
wihanga chairman w'ikibina akakarura akakuba kwita ka primaries kari gutumwe twesinga murundo kumwe akano burete ntaro nyingi leta nk'uko yomba leta nk'ubutikirizangana kandi butwarana tayini y'abantu
obururu bwa MP w'ebendera ya NRM bukaterwa 2018 by'ukwezi kwa mushanjo mwaka ogu bwakoraturwa bwa chairman bwa district na ba kansara babo aye bamwe bayeze ombwitire bakagaruka batine kibina ngo baramurwe box gasha kwa Aneta Gangwa na Ben Muhozi
webare abanyamakuru bitu umurebu witu wa TV Muronji twongera kusima aho turebera hona kandi webare na nukutorana ogumana ureba TV West kiriyo makuru agacencire konka tuzagaruka tumureho tugarukana makuru agandi
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa ukwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city ukumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanjo mukaga hatano ni itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito tuwenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe
akagambe wananyeta unawasinga
Ministry y'Obwegese n'Emizano eri kurabira omuntebekanisa ya Higher Education Students Financing Scheme nejusi yabona abaganyirwe omuntebekanisa yo kushomera hibanja kandi abucabujenye yabire bahirwe yahwireyo kumuhikiriza obujunanizwa bwanyu bwo kushashora roni okurugirira hakacweka akabirneshatu na 26 akiteka eri Higher Education Student Financing Act abakozesa ni mwe mujukibwa kumanyisa ministry ahabantu abaganyiro mu ntebekanisa y'ukushomera hibanja abari yahamirimo yanyu nkuko biragiro birikuragira okwanga kuratera ebiragiro necurugiriraho emitango hamwe na za mutice ebirukiraho tera note ibira note mwenda note mukaga itano mukaga itano naritayira website yitu ahari www.education.go.ug shashuri banja ryawe eri washomireho cebase MP hakurebeka kandi no kwigoro rwiji ahabwa abanda beji abatine cashorera okwika habiroto byabo ebyo bwegese obuharurengo rwa
katochi eri no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo
okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako aha mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katoki mugume munyweco katoki no bunuzi bwayo katoki kerya aha mutindo katoki na chama chayo muhute katoki yerya aha mutindo Katochi alcoholic drink yenuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
norondo mwanya ahubwo aje buri kubugabugana umutindo twakwakira ahari The Arena Villas and Hotel shemererwa umuhereza burungi ubwo mutindo gwahiguru ubwo buraro umwanya guri kuretera wahurira nkoryo muka twine restaurant y'umutindo kandi nitkora coffee y'umurembe hamwe na pizza ako kunywa karungi ahabara y'umutindo ubwo uri kura ubuhumuriro burungi ubwo utakarebaga parking ne marira kandi rinze rweje hariho na wifi ahubwo kuba ubusinje bwawe ni kikuru hari The Arena Villas and Hotel twine gardens z'umutindo The Arena Villas and Hotel no hurira nkoriyo mukabuzima ni cyangwa enyuma ya Shell Makinke arugudo rwa Masaka gamba nitwe ari noti 3 10 25 ninga noti 2 not chenda nina chinana ne 2
amazina ganje mu mpiyedo kasi ninduka kikoti cy'Uruva district ninyoze imyenda ningora twosa amashanyarazi aga fresh ngatuyamba fresh sora etuyambire munonga amashanyarazi gabo gatunga buzubu mbije bagatereza batatuyiro sente zone ntojezomu
mweniwe oasaruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi benkoko banyina maka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora magoba ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara aho gabusha free ebiri kukira hotela noti 8 noti hashatu na mukaga hatano na mushanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha
Samson Kitchenware bakuretire ibintu byo gukora somoko wawe kandi nangwa no mu mahoteli bakuretire cooking dishes bakuretira ne dishes zo kuyamba kusavinga muka yawe ningasho mu mahoteli bakuretira za fraska ezigumire ezirabasa kubika cyo kunywa ningashe cyo kurya ukumaresha habiri nina no mushobo imwe bari mu business ya juice bakuretire juice dispensers bakuretira ama glass original bakuretira na kitchen electric appliances ibintu byone birakoze sibwo mu ciyungu kandi birakoze sibwo amashanyarazi abo baraguze biri original byonka Samson Kitchenware barashanga mu city yambarara ahari Mbaguta Street 4N building opposite na Central Market baraguza kamwe kandi hamwe na wholesale okushubura no kumanya binji 0 08
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Uganda Cooperative Alliance neta cooperative kandi hamwe n'abantu mwena aha mukoro ogwa National Conference 2025 oguri kwija kuborwa kana 2018 by'ukwezi kwa mwenda aha cyayi cya kororo okubasa kwemurikira ibigozi bwo kwiseri izoba omujenyi mukora mukoro ogwo naje kubumwe bimbizi wihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ekigendererwa no kutongoza National Cooperative Savings and Credit Society Limited eyarugiremo National Cooperative Bank mwena ni mwetwa aha mukoro ogwo.
Nitwakira omuri Rwambara Suits umwanya gwo bugwaje no muteka omuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall eyo mutindo gwa higuru enibyo kwejinisa omunjiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no endo mwanya gwo gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi umwanya ni Rwambara Suits Conference Center twine bishenge byo kuraramu ebyo mutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant abantu n'abashefu barungi munonga nitushangwa ari ploti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City. Esimu noti mushanju noti 3 58 nshanju na mukaga 48 ninga noti mushanju 5 noti 1 3 nshanju 4.
Tabarukayo omukahumuro kando makura geshwekeki Dean of Students ahari Butema University yasima Vision Group ahabwo kuhindura Ultimate University Quiz ngwebeho buri mwaka ekinte cyaro kugira ngo ntuza kwera munonga beje okweyikirezamo na no kubahindura barukora kukakucenge ibintu ombwiraho nawe.
Sophia Arum, or Dean of Students wa Butema University, okusima Vision Group, ahabukutaho Ultimate University Quiz na bwa Vision Group okwatanisa na Uganda Communications Commission hamwe na Bank of Uganda babene batayira universities okureba nguzaza Ultimate University Quiz y'omwaka ogu ahari Butema University.
A good student in current affairs is a good student in class, and so we encourage that the quiz should continue. It will make students, compete, and they will always look forward to the following year, so that they put Busetema on the map as far as this event is concerned.
Engineering, agro-processing, which are not yet in other universities in the country. Of course, I've mentioned marine engineering. We have launched it. It doesn't exist anywhere in the country, and would wish to contribute to the national development by providing the required human resource.
Walimbwa Innocent omweja har Butema University wajiroma Ultimate University Quiz umwaka ogwire agambira habirunje byaganyirwemo.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. What I liked about them is the organization. They provided us full accommodation, feeding, and a lot of fun in Kampala. So I loved everything, and
I think I would like to tell you that personally, during my university career, I think answering questions has been something I've done from year one up to currently, but I'd never been through an adrenaline rush like the one I was in during that time. Knowing that the 10 seconds you have is what your university is depending on to proceed was always a very different experience, especially that last round where they give you 10 questions and you have to answer them rapidly.
I even got an opportunity I shook the hand of Governor of Bank of Uganda.
Colin Agaba okurwa mu Uganda Communications Commission yahamye kwatanisa kwa Yona Vision Group okureba ngabeje bihanga baganyirwa cyangwa mu Ultimate University Quiz a Vision Group tebekanisa.
I would like to assure participants and New Vision and the partners that UCC is very committed to this cause and will definitely more and more indulge and involve in this endeavor.
Agaba Collins hona yahabara bejo kwegendesereza nkozambia za kanyabwenje no kwekingira abashuma abarukuzejunisa. Max Adi wa Vision Group kandi bembere project eji okureba mu yashorongaje ahabwira beji abo bari kubabuzaho kandi yabaho bukodyo okubine kwetebekanisa Ultimate University kwizeji okubasa kudisingura.
Some of you who haven't yet joined, you should join, try out. Because it is from here that we shall pick out the 4 people who will represent your university. We normally have 4.
Max Adihona yagamba habihembo ebirukwebwa university zirukora jo mu mpakezi ebirumu sente kandi abeji abarukweta abo mu university kwizi ebarayihangura.
From last year's performance, we had Gulu University coming in as a champion. You already know that. They won 25 million shillings for the university. Of course, they got a trophy, as you can see. You have their vice chancellor, their dean, and some of the students and the coaches.
Now, the socio-economic transformation would be incomplete if, for example, Bank of Uganda did not partner with Vision Group to support this Ultimate University Quiz. The socio-economic would be incomplete if Bank of Uganda did not come up to promote financial inclusion.
Bustema University katandika 2007 kandi hatayineza branch mukaga kandi buri branch ina amashomo gayo agamu engineering, health sciences, management sciences n'izindi nyingi.
I want to emphasize that Bank of Uganda is committed to making sure that this ultimate university quiz is successfully conducted. And we are willing, because he told you, we issue legal tender. We are willing to put in money. We are willing to put in money to make sure that the people that eventually participate in this go away with money.
Ultimate quiz y'umwaka ogu neija kutandika ebiro 7 by'okwikumi eruzihendere birabi na 7 by'okwikumi. Turi kugambira ebi university zirengera muri 12 zahanze kwegita university quiz egi kandi n'izindi nituza kongera kuzibasyaho.
Kare universities takehandikise ni umwento bashaba okukozesa omugishogwe twagumizamo abavugi ba boda boda bashabirwe okwiga kubikiranye nse yabo omarika shonji omu district ya Kiruhura okushaboku kwirweyo tumaramye genensiyo okwasire bendera ya NRM abwishaza area Kashonji kandi ubwabira ryo mu rukiko rw'aba boda boda orukorirwe Kashonja hishaza omu district ya Kiruhura.
Orchiko rw'aba boda boda abwishaza rya Kashonji orubesere boda boda twetungure rutebenkanisibwe genensiyo tumuramye okwasire bendera ya NRM abwishaza rya Kashonji nke kigenderwa cyo kutungura abavugi ba boda boda umuri Kashonji.
Example ekotandika nejakuba iriya ya boda boda kokakera atandika boda boda bonka n'abanyabitu abakwazirito banyabitu abinaza saruni banyabitu abakuteko mutale abaza restaurant na n'abandi bona byo benefit no ahabokuba nyono mwembezo w'abantu bona.
Orchiko ru rwabarukurirwa rukurebye mushobora bwacu rwa district n'ingashikamasho officer kamugisha Alexander kandi ogwegesa abavugi ba boda boda okuba kubasa kwetungura okurabira mu kweteranira hamwe
abantu keza kweterana nibyambe ecyo kubanza byongera aha ibyo kumanyana ecyo rege kikuru aho muzungu nagira shosho capital yawo niyo kubasa kutanga.
Nabwanyuma urukiko rwahinguza ngo kigombe cyabo cha boda boda nibija kutandika sako yabo yo kwetungura eyibaye Kashonji boda boda Genensiyo Foundation sako aho Genensiyo yabaraganisa kubahereza miliyoni 15 hamwe na computer nkentandukwa okubasa kukiriza kiroto cyabo cyo kutandika kigombe cyabo cyo kwetungura
eyina teka nyonko mwembezo wabo kukwatira miliyoni 15 umukono gumwe esente na computer yifuza kubahereza njakugura na office kugira ngo finally performing musako eyambe abanyakashonje
ushaka ko kutugira kirelesende konga zigire kizukwazi bicunga konga twatwerundire tukakora group buri yomaka yete twara kazibika ariko banazenda akwenda roni nayizashanga.
Abavugi ba boda boda basima tumuramye Genensiyo okubakwatiraho ubwo bari kumweshongorera.
Itukaba boda boda twabirundi subuke ibintu ugenda ufuna piki ukiburyo turokwe bakeza kujwaka pikejo ushango tine naho kwihaka sente ukubasa kukigarro
okurigera bigenderwa bya President Museveni na hagere nkora yo kweteranira hamwe nko muringo go kwimusiyo muntu wa hansi nde Evans Taremwa abwa TV West Agacencwire.
Kare webare Evans Taremwa twazagaruka tumureho tugana makuru g'ibyemizano.
What's our topic today?
Kutambulanga chinawolovu.
Bera mokirasi. The biggest back to school promotion season 3 is here. Bera mokirasi.
When you buy Focus products worth 16,000 to 24,000 Uganda shillings, you win a bucket or basin. And when you buy Focus products worth 45,000 and above, you win a school bag and lots of other prizes. Move it! All day confidence.
You want to watch your content, your kids are back home for holiday, but Tembera is not so good.
DSTV introduces Kawiki for everyone. Now you can pay DSTV weekly and enjoy your favorite shows for as low as 5,500 shillings for 7 days. You watch when you want. DSTV Uganda, your home of entertainment. DSTV Uganda is regulated by UCC.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa. Hani mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Nice place.
Thank you.
Now you can pay for GoTV weekly for as low as 5,000 Uganda shillings a week and enjoy your most loved entertainment with Kawiki. Dial star 206 hash or use the My GoTV app to pay. GoTV Uganda. Love it.
Vandalism is an offense punishable by up to 10 years in jail.
Makuru ag'ebyemizano timu y'ihanga ey'omupiira ogw'abaishiki neyongerama n'omukwetebekaniza empaka za World Cup qualifiers aho erikuza kulitanana na timu ey'abaishiki ey'ihanga erya Namibia.
Yeah, for Ranger Friendly, we've worked for 2 days, worked on certain aspects of the game, and therefore I arranged that we play a friendly against the under-15 boys to see what the girls have learned, if they could apply that in the match. So, and that's the only time that we can really see that whether they still understand the way we would want to play. Sometimes training, and what I'm calling now teaching football, the intensity is not as high, and they know each other, so they will not give 200%. When you play against proper opposition like the boys, the intensity of the match increases. They are more pressure. They don't know the opponents, but they know they're learning how we want to play, and we try to play against the boys that we're going to play against Namibia. So for us, it's positive. The results are not important. It's the players that we're still looking at, who understands, who has been grasping really what we've been working on.
kandaga by'emizano omuzano y'empaka za FIFA Super 8 zandwe nyekiro timu ya Kitara esinjire Express na gore mwe ahariziro omuzano gukayahayenera emyanya oguzanirwe a Chai Chargogo.
The FIFA Super 8 competitions last year they played, and of course losing on the semi-finals. The chance, and finally Ismail Ali with his second goal of the FIFA Super 8. All pressure that has been exerted here at the Royal side has finally paid off here for the Express Football Club. This was the moment. John Asimwe with that perfect assist into that situation, while beating Tala Edward, gets his match down to the end line. Good run coming in from the Bukedia Comprehensive student. Will get that player, Ali Ismail, in the right place at the right time. That was a very simple touch of a finish coming in from Ismail Ali. Oh, that player, Ismail Ali, at the FIFA Super 8 competitions. Last year they played, and of course losing on the semi-finals. The chance, and finally Ismail Ali with his second goal of the FIFA Super 8. All pressure that has been exerted here at the Royal side has finally paid off here for the Express Football Club. This was the moment. John Asimwe with that perfect assist into that situation, while beating Tala Edward, gets his match.
Kare agonugo makuru agutwabasa kusyaho ekireki obanaga kusyaho nde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Lois Gava oborumo rwo bonero twendeze kurara kurunje.
Nehi